Hello guys, today we are at Palwan Crocodile Farm. Super excited to explore this place. First we bought our tickets and now we are heading inside. As soon as we entered, you can see this beautiful view and the way to reach the crocodile farm. So as soon as we enter, the scouting gave us a small briefing. So you can see this is the entry point. After that, we reached to the reception where you can see this guy sitting and he was announcing something, and they told us about the different kind of crocodiles here. So these are real crocodile bones. You can see pretty cool, right? Now you see these all these skeletons are of for real crocodile. So you can see even these skins are real. This is skin of the real crocodile, massive.
Okay.
This is
Oh, well, of course, so
uh, this is also a real. They have done some painting or artwork on that. And after that, we got some info about different species present in this farm. So this is tortoise, some snakes, animals. This guy has given us about the farm, the types of crocodile, how many types of crocodile they have, and now we have entered to the farm. Here you can see both freshwater crocodiles and saltwater crocodiles. Wow, look at this
And they
one.
can grow 2 to 3 meters long.
So small, so
And
cute.
they are more aggressive.
Right.
Active at night.
And this is freshwater crocodile.
That's how they 5 to 7 days.
Now we will see
The crocodiles, they can live
the
up to
salt
100
water crocodiles. And this is massive. The size is unbelievable. Oh my god, see these baby ones. Oh, he is moving. Yeah, you can see. We are
And over
very happy to
here,
see all these babies
the
crocodile.
3 to 8 open their mouth like this one.
See,
So,
they are taking
they're
the
not
sambar
hungry.
on
They're
the
reducing
beach.
their body temperature because they have not sweat glands.
Lovely.
Nagko-cooling down po sila pag naka 45
So
minutes.
many. And this is a big
And
one
this foamy
again.
from Tawi-Tawi,
This is
we also
fresh
we
water.
also color crocodile.
So they have briefed us about. Oh my God! See this snake. Wow.
So if you want, you can keep one in your home. As a
This
pet.
is python.
Don't more
You find lots of these species in this Palwan farm, crocodile farm. And tortoise, we are very lucky to see this tortoise. And this is a bird, very beautiful. Such a cool experience so far. Now we are heading towards the zoo part and we'll see some animals. See here, the baby one. I love the view. This is really nice. Although there were very less animals, but you can see
We are going to be viral in India.
chit chat with some local kids. They are very happy. Girl, dangerous one. Hello, baby. See? Oh, hello. Hello. Now everyone knows what is this.